Welcome to the Introduction to Criminal Liability, Legal Research. Today we're going to be looking at understanding case citations. You'll frequently see cases cited in a way where you have a quote or some sort of legal rule, and then you have this part down here. You have someone versus someone else. You have some numbers, letters, more numbers, and then a year. So let's break that down a little bit. The first name that you see is going to be the person bringing the case to the appellate court. It is not the person that started the case. It is not the plaintiff necessarily. It is not the state necessarily. It is the person bringing the case to whichever appellate court is deciding it, versus whoever is responding to it. So whoever is responding, they could have been the one that brought the case in the first place. They could be the one who were the defendant in the first place. It doesn't matter. It is the person responding to the appellate court. Okay, someone versus someone else, we got that part. So what's up with these numbers, letters, numbers, year? All right, you want to start actually with the letters, because the letters tell you which court was deciding this case. In this case, U.S. tells us that it's in the United States Reporter, and the only court that is found in the United States Reporter is the Supreme Court of the United States. So we know we're going to look for the United States Reporter. The first number tells you which volume. There have been 412 volumes of the United States Reporter as of 1973, and that's where this is found, in the 412th volume. If you turn to page 218, you will see where this case begins. Schneckloth versus Bustamante starts on page 218 of the 412th volume of the United States Reporter. Now, what is this other number, the 219? Well, if you remember, this all started with a quote. We had a quote and then a citation to this case. And if you turn to page 219 of the 412th volume of the United States Reporter, if you turn to page 219, you will see this quote right here. It tells you what page, whatever quote or whatever legal rule you're citing can be found on. Finally, you have the year. And the year is not when the case was initially brought. The year is when the appellate court published their opinion. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye now.